Very good morning students. Welcome to part 3 videos. I hope you are all visit the part 1 and part 2 videos in atoms and molecules. Okay, so today's topic is mole concept. Okay, so far we have discussed about atoms, molecules, atomic mass and molecular mass. So when we talk about the atomic mass or molecular mass, I already said it is so difficult to find out that mass, but because still we don't have any measure scale to measure that atomic mass or molecular mass, so that we need some special unit to measure that. Okay, what is that special unit? Mole. Okay, so what is mole? Mole is a amount of substance that contains as many elementary entities. Okay, so mole is the amount of substance that contains as many elementary entities. Elementary entities in the sense whether it may be atoms, molecules, or else or other particles. Okay, so what is that? Mole. So mole is like pair. For example, pair means it consists of 2 items. Doesn't mean it consists of 12 items. Like that, most means it consists of some number of atoms or number of molecules. Okay, and it is expressed using Avogadro number. So what is that Avogadro number? Avogadro number in the sense the amount of substance in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. It is experimentally proved. Okay, and this value is 6.023 into 10 power 23. This is the value of Avogadro number. So 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay, so what is mole concept? Means to express the mass or volume of any substance using mole is called a mole concept. So using this mole concept, we have to derive mole of atoms or mole of molecules or molecular volume. So what is mole of atom? Mole of atom means 1 mole of any element which contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. That is called a mole of atoms. What is mole of molecules? 1 mole of any matter which contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. That is called a mole of molecules. Then what is mole of volume? Molar volume means 1 mole of any gases which occupies 22.4 liters at a standard STP. What is the standard STP? Standard temperature and pressure. So what is molar volume? Any gases, 1 mole of any gases which occupies 22.4 liter at a STP. This is called a molar volume. Okay, so how to calculate this moles? By different modes. Okay, here some of the formulas are given. Using these formulas we are going to do some calculation. Okay, if the atomic mass of the element will given, means how to calculate the number of moles, means by using this formula, mass by atomic mass. If a molecular mass is given, that means which formula we have to use now? Mass by molecular mass. Or else if atoms or number of molecules given, means we have to use the remaining 2 formulas. Okay, I will explain some of the calculation using these formulas. You will get clear idea. Now calculation based on number of moles from mass and volume. Okay, first 46 gram of sodium. So 46 gram of sodium given, we have to calculate how many number of moles in that. Okay, so which formula we have to use? The first formula, mass divided by atomic mass. So what is the mass given here? 46. Okay, what is the atomic mass? Atomic mass of sodium. Atomic mass of sodium is 23. So 46 divided by 23, how many moles? 2 moles is the answer. Right? Now second sum, here 5.6 liter of oxygen at the STP. Here volume given. Okay, then what is the formula? Number of moles is equal to given volume by molar volume. What is the given volume here? 5.6 liters. What is the molar volume? 22.4. Just now this, isn't it? So 5.6 divided by 22.4. Okay, then when we divide this, we will get the answer 0.25 moles. Okay, now the third sum, this is the third model. Now 12.046 into 10 power 23 atoms of iron. Okay, here atoms given. Okay, then how to calculate the number of moles? We have to use the formula of number of atoms divided by Avogadro numbers. Okay, so what is the number of atoms given here? 12.046 into 10 power 23. Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. So when we divide this, we will get the answer 2 moles. Okay. Next, person composition. So what is percent composition? The mass of each element present in 100 gram of compound is called a percent composition. Okay. So for example, H2O. So that means water. Okay. So the H2O is made up of 2% of hydrogen and 1% of oxygen. So how to calculate the percentage of hydrogen in H2O, percentage of oxygen in H2O using this formula. What is the formula? Mass of an element divided by molar mass into 100. Percentage in the sense 100. Okay. So for that we have to find out first molar mass. So what is molar mass? In the part 2 video itself I said the formula to calculate the molar mass. What is that? Number of first atom into mass of first atom plus number of second atom into mass of the second atom. So first one we have to calculate this hydrogen. So how many hydrogen present in that? 2 hydrogen. And what is the mass of hydrogen? 1. Plus how many oxygen are there? 1. Into what is the mass of oxygen? 16. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. Okay, so 2 in plus 16. So what is the answer? 18 gram. 18 gram is the molar mass. Right? So first we are going to calculate the percentage of hydrogen. Percentage of hydrogen is equal to mass of the element. What is the mass of the element? 2 hydrogen is present here. So 2 into 1 divided by 18. 18 is the molar mass. Into 100 is equal to 200 by 18 and the answer is 11.11%. So 11.11% of hydrogen is present in H2O. Next percentage of oxygen. Here what is the mass of the element? Oxygen. Here only one oxygen is there. So directly we have to write and what is the mass of oxygen? 16 divided by molar mass. What is the molar mass? 18 gram. So 16 by 18 into 100. 1600 by 18 and the answer is 88.89%. So using this formula we have to do lot of calculations, students. Okay. So in this video I will derive some of the calculation and in the next video I will give some examples and question answer related to this part 3 videos. Okay. Hope you go through it everything and do the calculation in the separate notebook as I told already. Okay. So we will see in the next videos. Thank you.
Dear students, today's assignment. Write down the answers for these following questions in your assignment notebook. First 2 mark question. First one, define molar volume. Define molar volume. Second question, write down the different modes for calculating number of moles. Third one, what does mean by percent composition? Fourth question, what is mole concept? Right? Now numerical problems. In this part we saw a lot of numerical problems. So some of the question I will give here. You just write the answer for this question in your notebook. Right? First one, calculate the number of moles in first one 27 gram of aluminium. Second one 1.51 into 10 power 23 molecules of NH4Cl. Next question, calculate the percentage of each element in calcium carbonate CaCO3. In that atomic mass of carbon 12, oxygen 16 and calcium 40. Okay. Third question, calculate the percentage of oxygen in Al2SO4 thrice. Atomic mass of aluminium 12, oxygen 16 and sulfur 32. Okay. And fourth one, find the percentage of nitrogen in ammonia. Right. Fifth one, calculate the percentage of sulfur in H2SO4. You do all the sums in your notebook, children. Thank you.